Hi traders, in the wake of recent challenges faced by the broking industry, FYERS is leading the charge towards complete operational transparency. We understand the frustrations that come with unexpected platform downtime, especially with a significant surge in the trading activity by millions of Indians. And that's why we are pioneering a first of its kind tool in the Indian broking industry, the FYERS Status. This innovative dashboard offers you first-hand and near real-time updates on our platform's operational status. From outages to scheduled maintenance, FYERS Status isn't just a tool, it's our commitment to you with uptime visibility into crucial trading services. Let's dive into what the FYERS Status Dashboard monitors. To access the Status Dashboard, log into status.fyers.in. The green bar signifies a day with 100% uptime, reflecting a smooth and uninterrupted service. We offer a 90-day history of all historical incidences that have occurred across the various critical components that impact trading. The pale green and bright yellow bars represent the occurrence of partial and major outages respectively, and aid in identifying the occurrence of outages almost at a glance. With this approach, the identification of service disruptions becomes instant and easy. You can hover your mouse on a particular day and you get to know the cause and duration of an outage. On clicking the issue description, you will be directed to a more detailed page that identifies the causes and characteristics of the issue. So you're notified not only about the context of the outages, but also about the impact. The first component is trading. This component tracks the trading functionality, which includes order placement and order management capabilities on the platform. We've further subdivided this into two separate services, the first one being web and mobile applications, and the second one being API-related trading functionality. As you can see, FYERS has 100% uptime in the past 90 days when it comes to trading. The second component here is data. This component helps you track the uptime and outages of market data feeds across trading symbols and segments. We have subdivided data into two parts, the first one being real-time data and the second one being historical data, which includes intraday historical data, end-of-the-day historical data, and charts across all historical time frames. And the third component is login. You can identify if there are any login related issues across various login starting points by tracking this component. We've subdivided the login into two separate headings. Number 1, web and mobile applications, and number 2, API logins. This will enable you to identify which of the above services is impacted to help you manage situations better. And the last component here is exchange connectivity. This vital component helps you track any connectivity outages related to exchanges. Take note that outages on trading platforms can happen for various reasons related to exchange connectivity. To help you identify such outages if and when they happen across exchanges, we've further divided this segment into three sections: NSE, BSE, and MCX. You can also access the historical uptime of service and records of downtime of service starting from June 2023 by simply selecting View Historical Uptime in order to see the full incident history, and this provides a bird's eye view into the historical uptime through heat maps. You can scroll through the calendar to skim through the heat map quickly, and you can also change the component using this drop-down menu. To access past incidents, click on this tab and it will provide you detailed insights into the issues, downtime of the platform with a detailed incident report. While the broking space is yet to become transparent in disclosing their platform uptime and outages, FYERS is a beacon towards bringing about a transparent and accountable future. We would like to encourage everybody to use our status dashboard towards keeping oneself well informed and a step ahead in your trading journey. Join us in embracing a more transparent trading future by opening an account with FYERS. And yes, if you like what we have launched, do refer your friends and peers to FYERS, inviting them to join the platform where every trader is empowered with knowledge to trade confidently. Be assured, you're in good hands and the quest to make your trading simplified continues with a new vigor.